Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be applying this wig. It's a headband wig. I'm going to transform my ugly looking hair. Like, oh my gosh, this is literally a rebound hairstyle when your hair is like pulled out from a braid, or if you just don't want anything in your hair, or you're on the go and so forth. So this is like a perfect hairstyle, perfect wig for that occasion. And now that it's summer, we don't want to have any hair in the face when we sweat and so forth. I want to avoid all the fungal acne one. We want to avoid the pustules. We want to avoid anything that can cause irritation to the skin or anything at all. Okay, so this is going to be that hairstyle. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm gonna be using my edge control and my edge brush to just sleek down my edges. They're not like the perfect edges, but they work for yeah. And I did my makeup, guys, and I'm wearing lashes and stuff, but lashes aren't like bootleg lashes because lashes were so new and so stiff. I was so difficult to apply, but I did my job. I did a good job with what I was working with. But this is what we're going to be doing, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy, and look out for some more videos. I'm going to be super consistent this week because I actually filmed a lot of videos and I'm going to film more videos. So yeah, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, and see you later on. Okay. guys, so this is the finished look. This is the hair. Yes guys, so this is the hair. Really loving it. I love how it turned out, giving me a really good vibe. I would say this hair is something that I would rock during I would rock this like on an everyday basis, like my rebound hair. Whenever I pull up my braids or something, I can have this, you know what I'm saying? Or whenever my hair is just out and I don't have anything to do with it, yeah, I can pull for this. All I have to do is just add some hydrator, some conditioner with water in it, and it's going to give me this nice little, you know, cute girl look, cute girl vibe, kind of vibe. Yeah, but I really like it. I love how everything turned out. It's just so nice and so manageable, especially now in the summer. Yes, and you can also rock this like if you're going to the beach and you know you want to take it off and get your hair wet or something like that. And then put your hair or put your wig back on, do your edges, and you're nice and good to go. Wash your face, put on some lip gloss, and you're nice and good to go. So this is a very nice wig. I really love it. Really love it. So yeah,